Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't pull through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today we ain't doing today I don't have anything planned, man. I honestly wanted to get on here and talk to y'all, get y'all opinion on something, and just feel something out, man. I got a few things that I want to get off my chest, but in the grand scheme of things, I really wanted to get on here because I need to get y'all opinion on something. So before we even get into the little chit chat, just know, I know you guys have noticed that I haven't been vlogging as much the last couple of days, and it's because it's been raining out here for the last week and a half. Like, it's really been non-stop rain, so obviously we can't get out here and drive anything. I had some runs and stuff lined up, but it's really just been crazy out here. It's just wet as shit, so ain't much we can really do. Point of this video, again, like I said, is I want to get on here and pretty much just talk to y'all about something that's kind of been on my mind, and kind of like a direction that how we're gonna move, I guess, going forward. You guys know that I did start the family channel up. The family channel is It's Mike's Life. It's usually pinned. If you look at the description of this video, it'll be somewhere down there with the freaking link to where you can click it. Lately, I've been posting more on that channel just because we're trying to get that thing monetized, and it's easier for me to do daily, like just regular content versus trying to go do car content and stuff in the rain. So obviously when it's raining like this, we kind of get shut down. We can't really do much. But if I'm doing like my normal routine type stuff, then it's like, oh cool, I could just throw this on the family channel and it's easier to post. So I've actually been having fun throwing videos up on there. I'm gonna have a video. I posted a video for the last, I think, 3 days straight on there, and then tonight I'm gonna edit and I'm gonna drop another video tomorrow on the family channel. But with all that being said, man, that's what I'm here to talk to y'all about. I know a lot of y'all are here for the car content and stuff, so that's why I decided to make a second channel. But at the same time, I have people that are like, oh, we're here for everything. So the reason why I don't post the everyday content on here is just because I just feel like I don't want to saturate the car content. I feel like if people are here for cars, they don't give a about what's going on and certain things, and I feel like doing that would kind of saturate the channel. So that's kind of like what I'm trying to avoid. And I feel like if I'm doing the family channel or whatever, it's people that are kind of like wanting to be more in tune with what I have going on. So I feel like it's kind of like a little bit more on the personal side. So for people that are interested in seeing more of the personal stuff that goes on, what I do on a daily basis, and whatever goes on with the family, man, make sure y'all go check that out. Lately, I just been like, I don't know, like I think somebody put it in words way better than I can say it. They were like, man, I know you got a lot going on, you know, you seem stressed, you know, your life is changing, which it is, you know. The baby's literally due in about a month and a half. Like, I'm literally about to have my first child. So, you know, I've been having all that stuff on my brain, also the stuff with my grandmother. Like, it's been just a roller coaster of emotions and stuff. And the comment that I had read was like, man, and it was just like, so that comment like touched me so fucking hard, bro, because it was just like, it said, what did he say? He was like, I understand. He was like, I can't understand what you're going through. He was like, but at the same time, I know you going through things. He was like, just make sure you bend how you need to, just don't fold. And I was like, man, that's some real shit. He was like, you know, on the outside looking in, you are dealing with a new baby on the way and an aging grandmother that you're trying to take care of, and you know, sitting there trying to balance everything. It's just been it's been wild. So on top of that, man, I'm looking at business ventures outside of YouTube that like are completely like not in the realm of likes, views, or anything like that. So I'm literally looking at trying to start up another business, like literally, you know, the baby's on the way. So I'm like, my mindset is on grind, business, enterprise, like take over the world type shit. So I have no clue on direction or what it is that I want to do. I know a lot of y'all be like, oh, do merch and this stuff. Like, I'm like, you know, I'm still trying to figure out how to balance that on top of possibly starting a business or two. I've been talking to my strength and conditioning coach about possibly doing something. So I am trying to branch out but at the same time, you know, I still want to be here to give you guys what you guys want. Part of kind of like what's been bugging me too is just like now the reality of everything is so much of my family's well-being, and like, yeah, so much of my family's well-being is tied into how well YouTube and all that stuff does. Like, you know, at one point it was just like, oh yeah, this is just fun, I'm having fun with it, it's a hobby. Fortunately enough, the hobby was able to take care of the lifestyle, and it was a beautiful thing. But now it's just like, yo, like at this point you start thinking, you like, oh, what if the account get deleted? What if blah 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 happened? And granted, on the flip side, man, Nita makes bread. Nita's an RN. She pulls in six figures. Like the girl does great. But on the flip side of things, god damn, this light's bugging me. On the flip side of things, you know, in the back of my head, as a man, I'm just thinking like long term, and you know, the directions. Like I don't want to feel like I have to do YouTube in order to take care of my family. But on the flip side, it's like I love doing YouTube because whether I was doing YouTube or not, I would still be building cars. Like I was doing this before I had a YouTube channel, so YouTube isn't what, you know, YouTube isn't the reason I'm doing the car stuff. It's just so happened to where it just became a self-sustaining kind of like hobby for me, and it allowed me to, like y'all see, to take care of my family and start doing family moves. But yeah, that's just been weighing on my head heavy. If you guys have any opinions or thoughts on what business ventures I should take, like I'm open to any of the ideas. Again, like I said, I look at y'all as like, you know, family. I rarely say fans. I hate the word fans. I always say either supporters or fam. Sometimes I may slip and say fans, but I literally hate calling people fans. Like I hate that word. So again, I look at y'all as all like a family. So y'all opinions are valued, and I do want to hear what you guys think. So if y'all can, shoot me some ideas, man. At the end of the day, you know, I'm open to whatever, and I want to figure out which direction I want to go. I feel like once I start balancing things out and getting things kind of like in order. Right now, I'm like, I feel like I'm at that tipping point where it's like things can go either way. It's like, yeah, I have money saved up, YouTube's doing good, but you know, when you have life-changing things and things are subject to be altered, you're like, man, I gotta fucking get it. So that's where my head's at. I'm more than likely I'm never gonna stop doing YouTube. It's just, that is what it is. Like I'm always gonna be doing car stuff. So regardless of what direction I go, this is something I'm always be doing. But I do value y'all opinions. You know, I'm sitting here kind of just opening up to y'all, letting y'all know how I feel about this shit. You know, it ain't been easy. So I'm constantly feeling like I'm trying to balance real life with balancing and giving everybody what they want. I know a lot of y'all be like, oh bro, just take a break, take a little chill moment. But at the same time, people don't understand that really having a chill moment ain't really realistically like an option. You can't really necessarily take too long of a break and stuff like that. But I have been thinking lately, since it's been raining, I've just been literally chilling. But again, please let me know what y'all think. Opinions. If y'all are looking for the other channel, I have been posting on there, so again, go check that out. I really enjoy posting on the other channel. Also, I've been trying to like figure out how to balance that. You know, a lot of people that do family channels, they kind of do it more cartoony, and it's like up energy, and like, you know, it's just weird. Like my vibe is kind of like laid back. This is like how I am. So I'm more monotone, going through. People around me are just naturally like funny, so it's always just a vibe when we do stuff. I like for things to be organic. So the other YouTube channel is like organic. I'm not doing crazy editing or anything like that. I'm kind of just like going about the day and just vibing and doing whatever I'd be doing outside of this, and just trying to incorporate y'all and show you guys exactly what I'd be doing on a daily basis. So yeah, I'm literally trying to figure out how to balance everything, man. I've said this before, but the biggest part is trying to figure out balance on everything, and that's pretty much what we're working on right now. Do not get me wrong, life is good. I have no wants. My family has no wants. There's no needs that I need. But in the grand scheme of things, like now, I'm literally looking at the long haul. It's like, do I see myself realistically doing YouTube in 20 years? You know, is there gonna be a new streaming platform? You know, like I don't know. That's the shit that this is just going through my head now. So I have no clue. Maybe it's because my girl's pregnant and the hormones that she's going through, maybe they're like seeping into me as I'm sleeping or something. So, you know, now I'm just like hyper alert on everything and just thinking about everything and trying to find balance and figure it out. You know, trying to keep my damn sanity and stuff. So I don't want to take up too much of y'all time just talking, but I really did want to feel I really felt like I wanted to get on here and just voice that with y'all. Again, man, appreciate y'all greatly. I love y'all for always being around for me to talk to y'all, voice opinions, and bounce ideas and stuff off of y'all, and you know, get the real, man. I feel like a lot of people on here kind of, like, usually when I'm reading through my comments and stuff, I usually have people giving good feedback and good ideas, and that's what I love, man. So, yeah, looking forward to hearing what y'all think. Sorry for taking up whatever moments out of your day to voice this for you watching it. So again, appreciate you.